Hey guys, welcome on back to another brand new episode. So today, some GoldEye and some catfishing down here at this sweet succulent river. I got the tackle box with me, and there's a lot of stuff going on, so I'm gonna put you guys down and I'm gonna give it a dangle. So stay tuned, you're gonna enjoy this sequence of the video. All right guys, this is the river we're fishing. I'm gonna be casting. I'm fishing with this night crawler worm. I got it hooked to a small bluegill type hook, and I got a bobber, and this is what I'm gonna be dangling with. So I'm gonna take a cast out here. Yeah, this thing's kind of messed up, so we had to adjust this rod back at the camp. It's gonna take a hot minute to figure this thing out. Basically, how you fish this setup is you just reel and you catch a fish, and you just let the fish take it, and then they'll just absolutely. Oh, something hit it. Oh, yep, that's a fish. First fish, GoldEye. This is, oh shoot. All right guys, I moved to a different spot. I'm standing on top of rocks right now, as you can see. And I'm gonna give it a dangle right here. Got a new rod set up because I got snagged again. This river is pretty bad about snags, so. Yep, I got smoked right there on the surface. Oh, and came off. All right, guys, I got rigged up again. Getting snagged and broke off on this river happens every single time, which is normal, but we're going back in. So if we can't get another GoldEye. Oh, there goes the bobber. It's dancing. We gotta wait for it to go down. Must have hit my worm. Yeah, it hit my worm all right. Go back in. Oh, something hit it. Oh, there. Got something. Got a GoldEye. GoldEye number 1 on the rocks. All right, guys, I got a new rod. I snapped off of my other one, and I got a new setup, so hopefully I don't break off again. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Yep, got him. Ooh, what is this? Is it a GoldEye or a catfish? It is a GoldEye. Man, I just love catching these things. All right, I'm gonna set them down so I can get the hook out. All right, set them down like that. I'm gonna get my sweet handy dandy Kevlar gloves. So these little these GoldEye fish or whatever, they got teeth like a catfish, and I'm gonna get it out. So I'm gonna do this guy real quick. They're kind of feisty, kind of mean fish. They kind of put up a fight a little bit. And I'm gonna release it. See you later, Rick. All right, I'm gonna go back in. Trying to get a catfish. Always, I'm on that fish on the GoldEye grind. So got to re-rig. So I'll see you guys when I rig up. All right, guys, I'm rigged up. I got a new worm on, so Another cast in. I'm gonna wait for another bite. See if something will smoke it. Something hit it.
Yeah, I could see him fighting. That's something put on a fight.
Yep, it's gone. I got something. I don't know what it is. It could be it is another one, another GoldEye. Good at catching GoldEye, but I can't catch a catfish. Oh yeah, he's hooked good. Get on the old handy dandy gloves here. Get the hook out. Hey, you settle him.
Bring him on up.
All right. Let me get this guy unhooked, and then we'll get him back in the bucket.
Oh, that was just awesome. And that's late year and a night crawler. You got that big catfish.
Come on, Rick.
You guys might have to just leave your gloves on.
All right, I gotta get the hook out of this guy. Oh yeah, he swallowed it good. Gotta walk across these rocks to get rigged up. I got broke off. I didn't break off, the fish took my worm, so I gotta walk back up these rocks. It's sketchy.